Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about earning money online through affiliate marketing. Hey guys, Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video I'm going to be talking about earning money online through affiliate marketing. But before I get into that, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. And if you guys are interested in learning different methods to make money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel where I discuss different ways how you can make a passive income online. The reason why I discuss making money online on this channel is because I want to provide you guys with the opportunity for those of you who are interested in changing your life. And also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So with that out of the way, let's just jump right into this video. So whether you're brand new with affiliate marketing or you have some kind of experience with it, this video will definitely help you out. So the first thing when getting started with affiliate marketing is to first start off by picking a niche. So what a niche is a specific category that you're going to focus on. So the three main niches when it comes to this business are health and fitness, because there are always people who are looking to lose weight and improve their health. Then there's the make money online niche, because people are always looking to make more money and have a better financial future. Then the third main niche is the relationship niche, because we as human beings have a natural desire to love and be loved. Now these are the three main niches when it comes to affiliate marketing. But that doesn't mean that these are the only ones that are profitable. There are plenty of other niches that you can make a full-time income from. For example, if you're somebody who likes technology and gadgets, you can promote the tech niche. There are plenty of people who promote this niche. Anytime you watch a YouTube video about somebody reviewing a tech product, 9 times out of 10, they have an affiliate link for that product in the description. So just imagine, if that video has 100,000 views, how many people do you think are going to click on that link for that affiliate product? It may be only 100 people that click on that link and purchase that product, but every time somebody purchases it, that equals to a commission. Now this is just an example of what's possible with affiliate marketing. So once you have a niche that you want to promote, the next thing you need is an affiliate product. Now, one thing that I want you to have in mind is that you don't need to have the perfect product. All you have to do is have a product that you know is going to help somebody solve a problem that they're having in your niche. So when you focus on a specific problem that somebody in your niche is having, they're more likely to buy that affiliate product because you have the solution that they're looking for. So let's just say, for example, you're promoting the relationship niche, and you're targeting certain people who can't get past the first date when it comes to dating. Now, since you're targeting this specific problem, anybody who comes across your landing page and sees this title, it's going to catch their attention. They're going to want to find out what you have to offer. Yeah, I know there's other people in the relationship niche who have other problems and this won't catch their attention, but you just have to focus on one thing at a time. So what you're going to do is create a landing page. And the title of your landing page can be something as simple as "Can't get past the first date." So this is your landing page. I'm going to put LP. I hope you guys can see that. And the title is going to be something that's going to capture that specific person's attention. So if somebody is having trouble getting past the first date in the relationship niche and they see this title on your landing page, it's going to catch their attention. They're going to stop what they're doing. They're going to see what it's really about. And what you're going to do next is instruct them on what's the next step to take. So under your title, you can just simply put, "Here's what to do next," or "Here's how to get started." That can be under your title. And then right here at the bottom, they're going to enter their email address, and they're going to click on the button, which is going to take them to the next page. Then you're going to have a free offer. It can be something as simple as an article or an ebook talking about the 10 do's and don'ts on what you should do when you're on the first date. Or it can be a link to a video that talks about how to act on the first date, or the proper body language, or anything that's going to give them value based on their niche. Something that's going to address the problem that they're having. So when somebody submits their email on your landing page, they're going to be redirected to your free offer, which is going to be the article I just mentioned. But now they're going to be put onto your email list. So now they're going to receive your emails through an automated sequence. So now what you have to make sure you're doing is make sure you're giving value in all the emails that they're receiving based on the relationship niche. For example, the first email can be something talking about body language that you should have when you're on the first date or when you're dating, how to display confidence. The second email can be something like, should you compromise your principles in order to make the other person happy? Something like that. So anything that's going to give the person who's reading your emails value based on your niche. That's what you should be focusing on when it comes to your autoresponder emails. Now, the next thing you should do is give your target audience the opportunity to go deeper into solving their problem for an extra cost. So this is where your affiliate products come into play. So you can simply put a call to action in one of your emails, or I recommend all of your emails, and say something like, if you're looking to find the right person for you, click here to get started, and just have a link to one of your affiliate products. And that link can be something to like an online dating course, maybe a book about relationships, or it can be even personal coaching by you. Whatever you choose, whatever product that you're promoting. So this is how you become successful with affiliate marketing. It's a pretty simple process, but when you first get started, it's not going to be easy. Because when you're starting out this business, you're going to make mistakes and you're going to fail. And that's all right, as long as you learn from those mistakes. If you're willing to put in the time and effort that it takes in order to become successful, you will become successful. And if you're interested in a great program that teaches you everything that you need to know when it comes to affiliate marketing, you can check out the link in the top of the description for my personal recommendation on how to make a full-time income online. And if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave another link below that for a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. And what this book does is it helps you decide what niche to promote, and also the different platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate offers. Well, I hope you guys learned something new from this video, and if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. So that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.